Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, dark blue color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, violet color, light green color, orange color, yellow color, black color, red color. Today we will try to learn some alphabets A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for chocolate. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for goat. H for house. I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lamp. M for mountain. N for news. O for olive. P for pencil. Q for quilt. R for ring. S for strawberry. T for tulip. U for uniform. V for violin. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Z for zinc. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.